In today's video, you'll learn how to enable and fix design ideas in Microsoft PowerPoint so you can create better-looking slides with almost no effort. If your slides feel plain or you're not sure how to design them, this feature can instantly give you professional layouts based on your content. But sometimes it doesn't show up or stops working, so I'll show you both how to use it and how to fix it. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and load your presentation. You can also start with a blank slide if you're practicing. Once you're inside, go to the top menu and click on the Design tab. On the right side of this tab, look for a button called Designer. This is what activates design ideas. Click on it, and a panel should appear on the right side of your screen with different layout suggestions. Now select any slide you want to improve. PowerPoint will automatically analyze the content on that slide and generate design options for you. You'll see multiple styles, some with images, some with different text layouts. Just click on any design you like and it will instantly apply to your slide. It's that simple. But what if you don't see any suggestions? There are a few common reasons for that. First, make sure your internet connection is active. Design Ideas often relies on online services to generate layouts. Second, check your slide content. If your slide is too crowded or has unsupported elements, PowerPoint might not generate ideas. Try simplifying the slide. Use fewer text boxes or cleaner formatting. Third, confirm that your PowerPoint version supports this feature and is updated. If the designer button is missing completely, it could be due to an outdated version or disabled settings. You can also try switching to a standard layout like title and content, then click Designer again to refresh the suggestions. Once everything is working, you can quickly go through each slide and apply different ideas to make your entire presentation look polished and professional. And that's how you enable and fix design ideas in Microsoft PowerPoint. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.